If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Today we're looking at Dogecoin trading at 9901, and the last time I made an update for Dogecoin I said that I'm looking at the RSI for Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is really bad, and you can see the RSI is actually dumping, and we probably might have a little bit of a bearish divergence right here. So higher highs right there, lower lows on the RSI actually is going to force Dogecoin to drop big time very soon. So right now for me personally, the next level of maybe buying area, if you want to put it that way, for Dogecoin is going to be nearly down to this RSI level, and I do still think that it's time to retrace all the way down to the 21.6 level of the RSI. We're currently sitting nearly 46.7, so yeah, 20.9 or maybe just 20 levels of the RSI makes sense at the moment, and we could expect the drop all the way to the downside. Now actually what I'm gonna do is place in the fib retracement levels, and this fib retracement, guys, is to actually take the bottom here to the top right there. So the first level we want to see Dogecoin to come and hold support is going to be 0.08412. so this is where I do expect Dogecoin to come down and retrace. We're right now tackling 0.236, but I don't see that. We could still end up coming to 8412, and if you start to lose the 8412, put a tick here, then it's time to create a reversal wave all the way down to 5460, and I've been giving you this target of 50 as well. So it's all about coming down to 8412 and close below the 8412. If you do actually close below the 8412, boom, all the way down to 5460 as the reversal wave. This is where I'm looking for the next maybe buying opportunity for Dogecoin. And that's pretty much it for this update, quick one on Dogecoin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.